just wanted to tell you I'm doing an unboxing for the StitchyBox Winter Small Batch Box. Spoiler warning, I do rip them all open like a madwoman. If you have this box and don't want to be surprised, turn it off now. Turn it off now. Warning you. Okay, here we go. Hey Flosstube, it's Sarah, our Stitching Kingdom, trying a new way of unboxing today. Using my phone and a holder of things. We're going to see how it works. So this is the StitchyBox Winter Small Batch Box. Just got it in the mail today. Super excited to unbox it for you. So apologize the shakiness and we'll get started. Okay, so it's kind of zoomed in there, sorry about that. Okay, now, so it comes with this fun little StitchyBox Winter Small Batch. It's got a coupon code in there, but that's only for the people that buy the box. And then Liz always puts this amazing purple tissue paper. And then the only thing I did is I went through and sorted it by days. So I'm going to move it to the side here. Sorry if you get dizzy. And we're going to start off with day one. And I love it because they're all individually packaged. She takes time. There's a cute little snowflake on there. I just rip into it like a madwoman just because I'm a little crazy. It looks like it. I love this stuff. I actually stitched with this earlier this month. So it's day one, Threadworks number 4 metallic. I thought we'd start this box off with an icy blue over-dye metallic thread from Threadworks. Perfect for wintry stitches. And this stitches up so well. And that's coming through pretty true to color. And so it's Kryneck, and they've just over-dyed it, and it's gorgeous. And so that's Threadworks 41015. Day one. And day two. Lots of crinkles. Ooh, that's beautiful. Metallic Nebula, it says. Toho 10110 seed beads, just like a wintry night sky. Let me find. Kind of that oil slick. Gorgeous. Leave that right there. Day three, got a little jingle bell. My cats were super intrigued about it. Oh. Next, multiples. Okay. So there's 3 little jingle bells. It says, day 3, silver bells. Some bright bells to embellish your fabulous winter projects. Day 4. Oh, that's pretty. It says, oh, yay! Day 4, natural amethyst drop. Amethyst is my birthstone. I was a February baby, so. Every winter queen needs her jewels. This hand-cut and natural amethyst teardrop can be used in finishing, attached directly to your stitching, or as a focal in a fancy scissor fob. That's beautiful. I love how it's faceted and beautiful. Okay, day 5. It's kind of this longish package, so we'll see what it is. I always like to guess. There's some things I can totally guess about, and there's other things that I can't. Ooh. Okay. So, ooh, it's more Threadworks. It's Threadworks Overdyed Pearl. And so it's some really pretty pearl cotton. It's Pearl 12. Oops, sorry. And the color is 12-1057. And a little tag. It says Day 5, Threadworks 12 Pearl. Love this experimenty color from Threadworks. That's fun. I've not used number 12. I've not really stitched with pearl cotton before. Day 6. What is it? Willy Wonka. To quote Willy Wonka, the suspense is killing me. I hope it'll last. Oh, that's pretty. There's nothing else in there. Really pretty snowflake to go along with Debbie from Snug Harbor Crafts, her story called Snowflake Bentley, about the gentleman who spent all of his life photographing snowflakes, basically, and proving to us that no two snowflakes are alike. Only artificial ones like that. This is Day 6, Snowflake Charm. Can't have winter stitching without snowflakes. That is true. Okay, Day 7. And we just had a nice winter storm and it's deciding to rain, which is kind of melting all of our snow, which is kind of a bummer. But and if you hear the road noise, my craft room faces quite a busy street. So, ooh, these are gorgeous, kind of the amethysty. Delicate 11-0 seed beads. Day 7. Delicate 11-0 seed beads, sorry. These violet seed beads are great for winter and spring designs. That is very true. Okay, Day 8. It's a little bit bigger package. It feels soft, like possibly fabric. Oop, and I was right. It's gorgeous too. It says Day 8, Ice Blue 28 Lugana. Can't get more wintry than ice blue fabric, and I have some perfect uses for that. That is gorgeous. Just simple. I always like to keep my tags with the fabric so I know exactly what it is, because it's usually not written on there. Day 9. Oh, those are gorgeous too. They're frosty leaves. Put them right there. Check glass leaves, Day 9. In my fantasy winterland, everything gets a nice bit of shimmery frost, even the leaves. That's a beautiful world to live in, Liz. Love it. Lots of purples. One of my favorite colors. If you couldn't tell. Where does it go? There, purple. And usually my nails always have some bit of purple in them, but we're going a semi-patriotic just at the convention I'm going to, so a couple of weeks. Put that over there. Ooh, those are pretty. They're really tiny, kind of iridescent. And they're Mayukis. says day 10, Mayuki 15-0 seed beads. These tiny little beads make fabulous sparkling snow. Yeah, they would. That's gorgeous. And I love that she gives suggestions on what you could possibly use with them. Day 11. Because sometimes you have stuff and you're like, what do I do with this? And then she gives you an idea. Oh, this is more floss. It is Gentle Art limited edition. It's kind of a purpley gray. Called Winter. Ooh, God, I like that name. Winter Morn, day 11. Winter Morn Gentle Art Sampler. Thread cotton. This color reminds me of the color of the sky on a cold winter morning around sunrise. It's really pretty. I like that. Okay. Day 12. Oh. Okay. Oh, it didn't. Right there. Day 12 is a Swarovski crystal button. This fancy crystal button would make a beautiful center for a wintry biscornu. That is beautiful. And there's the back, showing how where you can attach it. Okay, day 13. More beads. The nice thing about StitchyBox is that you get beads and you get floss for your stash. Your Delica 1110 or 11 zeros. This is day 13. Delica 11-0 seed beads. These gorgeous beads make a great pairing with the pearl from day 5, which is this. So yeah, they do match really good. Okay, day 14. Again, it's kind of big, feels soft, so it's feeling like either fabric or finishing fabric. Ooh, some felt. Let's let the audience see. Let's see if it's folded in here. Yep. Okay. Day 14, Benzie Oxford Blue Felt. Some deep blue felt to help you finish your smalls. Also great for applique. Alright, yeah, it's a really pretty color. It's kind of a royal blue. I love it. Okay. Day 15. It's bigger. It's 8.5 by 11. Usually these are patterns, so I'm going to pull it over this way. And there's the StitchyBox stickers on the back. Okay. Oh, that is gorgeous. Let's center it up here. And I had a paper fall out, so let me grab it. Crinkle, crinkle. There's lots of crinkling in this one. And it says Winter Ice Sampler, and if you look right here, it says Dinky Dyes, so I have a distinct impression that there's some Dinky Dyes involved. And it says Day 15, Winter Ice Sampler, a fun sampler to stitch while you are curled up by the fire. Let's see. Okay, so it was done on 28 count. And those are the Dinky Dyes that it's calling for. Some Krennic, some bicombs. I'm excited for that one. I'm a fan of dinky dyes. Okay, that was day 15. Day 16. Oh, I've got some of this. It's pretty. Some nice lace, iridescent lace. It says day 16, iridescent lace, some sparkling lace to help you finish your icy projects. It's really pretty. I like it. Can never have too many finishing materials. And this just has that really pretty shimmer. Day 17. Yes. And this is the Planet Earth 6-ply silk in spring teal. And this is really nice. It's really soft. It's got a really pretty color to it, nice subtle variegation. So it's day 17, spring teal silk floss. One of my favorite parts is when winter is turning into spring, those crispy cold mornings that warm up with a little sunshine. Likewise, this silk floss will help you transition from one season to the next in your stitching. And that was 17. And day 18, another softer package, a little bit bigger. So, oh, that's pretty. I was kind of ripped into that one like a crazy person. Maybe that's what I should do. But then I won't be able to save some bags, and I like to do that for my orts. Day 18, Falling Snow fabric. This fabric flare stitching fabric is perfect for winter stitching. Your specific type and fabric count are listed below. So mine's a 14 count Aida. And it's got the sparkle in it. That's a really pretty piece. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And it's just a small. Good for smalls, good for ornaments. Really pretty. Okay. Day 19. Those are really pretty. Celestial Crystal Snowflake, dark blue, 3 pieces. There you go. That's better to see. It says, day 19, snowflake crystals. Yesterday was snowflake fabric, and today we have snowflake crystals. I'm okay with that. Not mad at that. Day 20, beads. You can tell by the shake. Alice, she'll sit there and we would unbox them before I started filming them. She would shake it. And, oh, Mom, these are beads. I said, yep, they're beads. Oh, those are pretty. Nice, pretty purple. Sorry about that little bit of glare there from my hot light. Okay, day 20. Toho 11-0 seed beads. A bit of purple to pop out from all the wintry blues and whites. Agreed. Day 21. Yay! Oops. Oh no. And this is Dinky Dyes in Natural. So it's a really pretty white. Oops. It says Day 21, Dinky Dyes Silk Floss. Speaking of white, the silk from Dinky Dyes is perfect for projects where you want the fancy fabric to be the star, like day 18. It's also a great choice for monochrome designs, yeah, because it's not variegated at all. It's just a solid white. Really pretty. Okay, day 22. More lace. that's really pretty. Really simple. It would be fun to finish around an ornament. So it's day 22, white lace for finishing. Nice bit of white lace to go with our white silk from yesterday. Because, you know, you can't have winter without snow usually. I know there are some places that don't have snow for winter, and that's perfectly fine. But in my neck of the woods where I live, we have snow in winter usually. We might be a desert, but we are a high desert. Oh, those are really pretty. They're kind of a pearlescent, a little bit bigger than, so these are the Miyuki 15s, and these are Toho 11s. So similar color. These are more clear, and these have a little bit more matte to them, even though they're the same iridescence. They're called Snowflake, appropriately. It says day 23, Toho 11-0, seed beads, some frosty little beads to go with our lace and silk. Okay. And day 24, another kind of stitchy fabric type package, finishing fabric, stitching fabric, who knows? Ooh, that's pretty. And it's a charcoal, I like that, that's really pretty. It's a 32 count. So day 24, charcoal 32 count linen. With all the lighter goodies in this shipment, I thought this charcoal linen would make a lovely contrast. Ooh, can you imagine that with the purple? Look at that. So pretty. Or even like a, using it for a bit of a nighttime scene. Okay, day 25 also is kind of soft fabric-y. Yep, finishing fabric. That's Tula Pink, I think. Possibly. Day 25, quilt fabric for finishing. A bit of fabric to help you with your wintry smalls. That's really cute. They look like little snowflakes. Okay, 26. We only have a couple days left. Thanks for sticking with me. Oh my. Buttons. Day 26, buttons. A wintry mix of buttons for finishing and embellishing. Yeah, there's some really pretty, like the turquoise and the purples. And I'm going to grab my little pin cushion that Shelly, Key X Stitch, that I got at our Fall Fling Smalls Exchange, Pincushion Exchange. And I put all of my buttons and little trinkets from StitchyBoxes in here. I'm actually still haven't, I need to get the other jar so that I'm just going to put these away right now. All those fun little things. Get the other jar because this one's filling up quite fast, as you can see. So thanks, Shelly. And you kind of see it. It's very cute. Okay, day 27. Kind of rolled up. I'm guessing it's probably floss. Maybe not though. You never know. I just destroyed that bag. Yay! We're Threadworks today. This is really pretty. This is Auvers Soie d'Alger. It's been a minute since I spoke French, so. And this is color number A132. Look at that. That is really pretty. Kind of charcoal gray. It's really gorgeous and feels amazing, as all silks do. And it says day 27, Threadworks over dyed silk. One last thread for our shipment, so of course it has to be silk. I signed up for her Silk Lovers box, so I'm really excited to see that one. That'll be towards the summer. I did a whole bunch of, got deposits on a few of these before I did my Stitch from Stash, and so it was back in, when they come out, you know, it's really nice because it's a $20 deposit and then you have a little bit to save. Oh, I love these. These are gorgeous. And they're silver backed too. And so you pay a $20 deposit and then you pay the balance about a month before it ships. So I have the peacock one coming next month, and then I have, let's see, I know I have a springtime one and a dragons one, the silk lovers, and I think that's all I have. So, but that's okay because I've got a few things. Oh, sorry about that tiny earthquake there. Okay, so it says day 28, Swarovski Montes. I'm sure you read that while I was babbling on. Some sew-on Swarovski crystals for your wintry stitching and finishing. And then day 29. Ooh. It doesn't want to come out. Some chenille finishing. Ooh, it's super soft. It's that really pretty charcoal gray. Day 29, Lady Dot Chenille. Chenille is like the warm scarf of finishing embellishments. Wonderfully fuzzy. Sorry. Wonderfully fuzzy, and it just makes everything feel more cozy. Your specific colorway is listed below, and it's called, appropriately, Thundercloud. Because it does look like a gray stormy cloud. I love that, and it's so soft. Put that over there. And then we have day 30, which is also an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, or package of paper. Oh, that's pretty. I'm excited for that one. Move that up a little bit there. Okay, it's T.A. Smith's. T.A. Smith Designs. Sorry, there's a little bit there. T.A. Smith Designs in Snowflakes. Ooh, that would be really pretty for that dinky dyes and that charcoal fabric. And the explanatory card. Sorry, it fell. Day 30, Snowflakes chart. I hope you've enjoyed our 30 days of winter, or in this instant, a few days, or a few minutes. Sorry. I'm leaving of winter goodies. I'm leaving you with this lovely chart from T.A. Smith. Even if you didn't get any snow this winter, you can still have snowflakes in your stitching. I hope you enjoyed this. There's some fun stuff to be had in Stitchy boxes. I love them. They're super fun. StitchyBox.com. You can follow her on Instagram as well, at StitchyBox. I'll link all that information down below. Hope you're having a great day, and this finds you well, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.